just sounded his horn and just to tell everybody he was coming back. I'm just waiting for him to clear that tree. I want to see what happened to that big branch. They're cutting that one there now above the engine. You see the branches rocking around. He's up there doing something. What that young lad's doing there. That is obviously staff. I've gone forward again now. I'm actually thinking of going down to Bangkok. I think because I live over the road now, I might actually get a train down one night. And that is at work all week, so I don't see her from Monday to Friday now, so a couple of 3 days in Bangkok would be very good. Yeah, those old restaurant cars, that's old that. Last time I went on there though, everything had gone up, it was so expensive. Well, for Thailand it was expensive. I usually rely on the ladies getting on. If you don't go on the express, they stop at lots and lots of stations. And people know the score, they get on, they ride down and they ride back on the next train, all that sort of stuff. I don't know what they're doing over there with that lot. Oh, I see what he's done. He's loaded these carriages on here. He's come back for those 3. So it's obviously going to be one going into Bangkok later, yeah. Yeah, they've just hooked up those 3. Blimey, that's a few, yeah. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11. I'd say the most I've seen 17. I was on one of those old ones one night and I'd chosen a window seat. There was this old guy got on time, he was really at me. Didn't understand what he was on about. Somebody saw you in the wrong seat. I said, well, I'm not. I said, I've got the number on my ticket. He wouldn't have it. I said, oh, I don't mind the aisle anyway. So I got up. Plenty of room. And we'd been out of the station about an hour heading to Bangkok. And it was in the winter time, although when you say winter it was still warm, but it wasn't at night. And when you're travelling at like 60, 70 mile an hour. Anyway, he wakes me up and he went, trying to get me to move into the seat because the window wouldn't go up. And I went, nah. You wanted that seat, pal, you've got it all the way to Bangkok. Trying to drag me out, and I said, I'm not getting out. So then he called the guard, but then the young lad who explained what he was trying to say told the guard that he had a go at me at the station, so the guard said, oh well, hard luck, you stay where you are now. That was it, I got away with that. He only went a few more stations. Like grumpy old devil. We'll get kids playing around on the station in England because look, it's bet their mums work here or dads. They're off school at the moment. It's got a bike there, look. train. They got a row. Looks like that. Oh, I see they're trying to see how far they can spread the shoes and how far they can jump. Monk on his travels. I've got a feeling that train is going to come back in to one of these platforms because it's disappeared completely. He's sort of right down there between the trees. So I suppose he's just waiting for the signalman now to change the tracks. Let's see what that timetable says over there, see if he's heading to, yeah, this guy's come out as well, so it looks like he might be coming onto that platform. Sit and have a look. Express 51 is the next train, that could be it. No time against it. They got the later ones, 3:30, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But the top one, 51, yeah, Express Chiang Mai on time, platform 4, which is that one. So that train he's coming in here. Yeah, if you go to Bangkok, I expect, not sure, 10:30 maybe. Maybe 10:30. 11 minutes. Oh no, it's just the clock. Yeah, local 407, Express 51. Oh, it might be one coming in to platform 4. We'll have a look. I'll turn this off for now and hang around a bit.